I just turned it on now. That was something, but I would say it didn't, it like felt it or something and shake.
Well, we're already getting action here, so that's good.
What happened there, would you say?
You must have just dropped it.
Right.
Alright, so should we do a little intro now that we got the camera out?
Sure.
Alright, so we're back on our island. We're fishing for sturgeon and catfish. We have to bring my brother along with me because he cleaned the canoe for me, so I said I'd take him fishing. So we're hoping to hook one here soon.
Backlash or no?
Nope.
Nice. We got a nice little fire over here. Got a canoe over here. And yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods out here.
Max probably has one here.
Not fish.
No way.
100% not fish. Nils claims he has a fish. We will see.
Didn't get the other rods in. Pull and drag.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe you have like the state record sucker.
Oh, it's pull and drag hard, dude.
You go like this. That thing moves, just figure it out. Oh damn, big catfish maybe?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Just sat with it. Weird.
Yeah. We were reeling up to recast and then mine just started fighting.
I'm hoping personally for the world record suckerfish, because that would be pretty goofy. Knows you're moving away from the light, dude.
Did you see what it was?
No, I was looking at you. I'm trying to keep my headlamp on you. It's a big ass catfish. Oh, it's a big drum.
Big drum. Holy shit.
World record drum right here. Holy nuts.
In the bucket. Holy shit. Autofocus?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Guys.
This is the biggest drum I've ever seen. We saw it.
Oh my god, look at its gills. You see all those leeches?
That's so gross. Yeah, it's got like.
Oh my god.
This thing's, we're gonna get a weight on this thing. This is weird.
Nasty.
I would personally guess that this is like I'm gonna guess 14-pound drum.
Yeah, it's.
Bucket is a pound.
It's looking like
It's not focusing.
12 pounds,
12-pound drum is pretty big.
That's a huge drum.
Let's get a nice release on this guy. We want these 12-pounders to live another day, even though they're drummed.
This is about as big as the dead one we saw on the beach.
Yeah. I heard a little rip there. I would just hold him there for a while. He's not feeling very good.
There he goes. Trash.
Hey, you know what? He's not trash. He fought pretty hard.
Yeah, he fought harder than any catfish.
It's like once a fish gets to a certain size, it's not deemed trash anymore. All right, Nils, the hat's still lucky, dude.
Hat's still lucky.
It is drum season.
Oh man, Max just got another drum. Oh, we should have gotten pictures with that.
Fuck, I got some good shots though.
It's not a small one, no giant, but
I need to catch one.
it's a fish.
Thank you. These guys are like super dumb because they're not even fighting. We can't even tell that they're on the line.
No, it didn't. You're just feeling it from the fish. Nice release.
Oh, can you just hold it for a second? This guy was literally probably on my line for, I would guess, the better part of an hour.
All right, let's get back out there.
All right, we were just packing up to leave because it's raining. Bill says he has a fish. I'm betting on a drum.
I have to go. I'll bet that is-
Okay, let's see if he'll go there. Oh, you got like some on
I
your.
got these so small actually.
I can't see what it is. Finn, do you see it? It's a drum, I think.
Another big drum.
The big drums are out tonight. Yeah, like that's a decent size one.
Got it in. Oh. Then come here, hold the rod.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, you're cutting that. All right, I got this. Go for the release here.